Hi, how are you? You can see a nice frame here. It's a paper-based painting canvas. Okay, so we're going to draw a nice scenery in this canvas. Let's start from the border in the bottom side. So just put some colors like this. So it's going to be a pencil sketch, you can see. So as you know, the sketch just progress to the upwards. Okay, just going to the upwards. All right, so it's going to be a border point here. It's the foothill of the mountains, and you can see my pencil strokes here. Make a little darker on the top. We're going to draw a long pointy tree here in these positions. Okay, and you can see the details of the tree drawing coming up. Okay. Getting wider at the bottom. Okay, also another tree you can see here. And also it's getting wider at the bottom. And doing the the main branches here. The next one is going to be same like this but little bit shorter, pointy top, and just getting wider at it as it comes to the ground. Awesome. So put a few outline strokes here and a little bit grassland in these positions. Okay, and it's like a few slopes, up slopes. Okay, making little bit upward directions in the slopes here, you can see. All right, and coming up here it's just mixing and the road goes this way. Okay, so in this side you can draw some branches of the trees like without the leaves here. Okay, and another tree you can see here. All right, few details. Let's draw few tree lines here and drawing like a bush on the left side. You can see the bush. Just drawing the top part. Little bush here around it. You can see some shades on the road, along the roadside. And another tree with the few branches without the leaves on the ground. And you can see I'm going to draw a house. It has a pitched roof. You can see the other side is darker color. Okay, and the doors here, a window on this side. For the log cabin, you can just put some vertical outlines. See, there's a road which is just coming downwards to these roads. Okay, and there's a fence. Okay, all right, some vertical elements you can see from the fence. Some grasslands on the sides. Also, you can see some taller grasses in front of the houses. So the details is just going on very nice. You can use the crayons, just have some shady effects, just mixing up the whole landscape like this one. Also using crayons on these sides to provide the shades. Okay, then it's like the usual, the landscapes for the mountains on the left side. Now we're going to draw the mountains on the tops of the hills. Okay, so these are the contours and the outlines for the mountains here. So on the left side you can have the shades, also shades here on the left side. You can see the mountains, few outlines here on the right wings. You can use the crayons to show the graphics, and the shades becomes nice with the crayons. That's why we're just mixing some crayons colors here. And this part you can see the other parts of the mountains. Okay, so it goes on from the left side to the right side, the whole canvas. Okay, let's make the road little bit darker. Okay, all right. This is how the drawings is going to be good, and yeah, you see it's taking very less time. All right, I hope you like the videos. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.